Hey, how's it going, boys? So today we're going to be doing just a little POV of this Widebody FRS BRZ GT86. The owner didn't want to do a walk around video or anything like that, which is perfectly fine. We're not going to, pressure people into being on camera or talking on camera. So I figured we'd do a little POV video. So I had my camera, my GoPro, and usually with these photo shoots, I, go ahead and do it anyways. So figured I would just at least make a video for you guys. I know it's not the longest video in the world, but at least I got something out of it. And I don't know if you guys like these, just let me know. I want to make them, but if you guys aren't into them, that's perfectly fine with me. Just figured I'd kind of show you my process of walking around. This one I did really simply. I just got the normal 3/4 details, front, back, all of that. I didn't get super exotic with it. Wasn't being super creative because I was actually talking to the owner the whole time I was doing this, so kind of have a conversation while shooting, which is perfectly fine and usually happens anyways. But I figured go around, just get some detailed shots. I like the gray background to the blue. It was more of a Tiffany blue. In the video it kind of looks like a darker blue, but it was definitely more Tiffany like the photos I took. And the spot is so cool. I mean, it was perfect for this car. The colors and everything just worked perfectly. Now I chose this spot because, again, the grayscale in the background and then the bright blue, I figured it would pop really well. And then we're wanting to try to get different angles, but also have the background still be kind of interesting and not super blah. We don't want to take away obviously from the car itself, but we want to at least have a nice background. So here I'm trying to get some wheel shots, but the sun was just messing it up, and my shadow and his shadow, it wasn't looking too good. So and then my big meaty claw got in the way. But got some interior shots. Wasn't trying to do too much there because it was pretty stock but super clean. And then I was getting down with the wheel photos like usual. It's probably some of my favorite photos. And then I don't know if I mentioned it at the beginning. I'll probably put it at the beginning, but I'm running a Sony a Sony A7 Mark V with a Tamron 35-150 f2 to 2.8, I believe. So it's a pretty long lens and short lens at the same time with a really low f-stop, which is great. So you get that nice bokeh, and then if you really want to reach, you can compress the background pretty well with it. But I figured trying to get some interior shots, get some normal shots, but it was a fun little shoot. And it was beautiful out. It was still a little warm, but thankfully Arizona's starting to cool down and we'll get some more videos. I wanted to get rollers of this, but my cameras were overheating, and it's just, Arizona's so tough on these cameras. Like, even when Arizona's only like 85, my cameras just overheat so quickly, and it's like you can film for maybe 10-15 minutes and then you got to turn them off because they're just heat soaking. It's ridiculous. But it was a really cool FRS BRZ GT86, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. We're trying to get to 5K by the end of the year. I don't know if we're going to make it, unfortunately, but we can at least try. And all the support you guys give, no matter what it is, like, comments, just watching the videos, it means the world to me. And I'm working really hard to do this while working a normal job. So I need to make more content on my own car as well. I know, I've been slacking on that, and I have a bunch of stuff I need to do to it, but I figured, these photo shoots I really enjoy, and they're super fun to me. So I figured give you guys a little something while I edit this other video that I'm currently working on. It's going to be a Mark IV Supra, which is cool. So I hope, you guys can enjoy that, and that's going to be about it. But I appreciate you, boys, and I hope you guys have a good day. Love you. Peace.